In my last video, I put a complete unboxing video on this Oximeter, how I unboxed and everything. So in this video, we're going to see how to use and how to take the readings which comes here, how to calculate that, what are the readings, such things. Let's see in this video. Let's start. Hey guys, welcome back to Qurrahtech. In this channel, some tech videos, reviews, tutorials, and some tips and trick videos, also unboxings, all kind of techie stuff. So if you're new here, consider subscribing down. If you're not, you can like, comment, share everything so that you can rock the world through technology. Technology is the future. So let's start this video. So this is the Oximeter that I bought recently a couple of weeks before, and I have made an unboxing video. You can click the icon here and watch the video. And in this video, I'm going to share you how to use this Oximeter, how to take the values of this Oximeter. So let's start. So very simple and basic thing which all people know, that you have to press on this side and click it. It opens up some kind of thing, and then you have to slide your finger inside the space which is present there, and you have to leave it. So first step, you have to do this, and then only you have to click on the on button which is right there at the down below center. So if you click that button, it starts like intro and such things, and it boots up, and the readings are calculated and comes such things, and then it takes some time to measure my such things. And yeah, it's the thing which came off, and you can see the top, there's percentage SpO2. That is the percentage of oxygen which is present in our body. Down to that 98, it is the percentage which displays oxygen. So first you have to make note, the first which displays our top is percentage of what oxygen level which is present in the body, that's a 98. And down below you can see the PRBM, that is a blood pressure, that is a heartbeat, how much times the heart beats per minute, blood pressure per minute. So that's the thing, and it comes around 91, 92, such thing, because I'm just talking, so my heartbeat is somewhat bumping much, and my free time it will be normal like 75 to 80, that's thing, so no need to worry. So the second one is the blood pressure, I mean the heart rate. 93, it comes changes, and down you can see the PI percentage which comes around 6.3 to 8.3, all it changes to some things. Please make a note that I'm shooting this video and later on I'll shoot a B-roll video, so my readings might have changed, so no need to worry about that. So focus on the concept what I'm saying now, so that's fine. Okay, so this is the PI percentage, that's called perfusion index. So this PI percentage must be in between 0.5 to 20. That's the good sign of a normal human being. So mine is coming around 8.4 changes, so it's fine. If it goes nearer to 0.5, then there's some problem. If it goes nearer to 20, more than 15, it is some kind of problem. So no need to worry, it's between this range, so no need to worry about it. And the percentage SpO2 which I mentioned somewhat bit earlier, it must be in the range of more than 95 to 100. That's the very good normal human being breathing and such things. If it's below somewhat 95 to 90 below, many people will say that you have corona, like that thing. So just don't need to panic on that, all that stuff. So what is the thing is that you should not, if it's some kind of below 95 to 90, just visit the doctor, it is best. That's all I would like to say you that, that's all. And on the top corner you can see the percentage of the battery. So that's nothing, it's a battery, that's it, no need to worry. And down you can see the bar graph, the blue line which goes up and down, that is called the bar graph. So what is bar graph, you may ask. So let me just Google it and then show you. So let me go to my Google and type bar graph in Oximeter. So there is a lot of things in pulse oximeter, so that's given. It says the pulse bar or the pleth is a graphical representation of how your heart beats. So I hope you understood now that our heart pumps. If you breathe in and breathe out, our heart pumps and knobs. So that's the thing which goes up and down. If your heart beats very fast, the bar graph goes up and down very, very fast. If your heart beats somewhat slow, like 60, like 70, the graph will go up and down in a limited period of time, like that thing, slowly up and slowly down. So I hope you understood. And down you can see some kind of red thing which goes up and down, up and down. So that's nothing but a pulse wave. It's a waveform of a pulse, or the heartbeat. It's just a waveform. So the bar graph and this thing is called some Plitho something, I don't know, where you can check it here, the name. So these two are interrelated, so no need to worry. You just check whether its graph is going up and down, or if it's somewhat flat, it's not good. It's not a good sign. So that's it, and nothing much. So I hope I mentioned everything, that water level, I mean the oxygen level must be more than 95 to 100 and such things, and the blood pressure, the pulse rate must be more than 75 within like 85 to 90, like such things. So below that and more than, like it's low BP and high BP. I hope you know that. I don't don't waste your time. And down you can see the PI percentage that I said before earlier. I didn't mention you what is the perfusion, but I said the range what must be there, because it is a biological term which some kind of comes on the ratio of the pulsatile blood flow to the non-pulsatile or the static blood in peripheral tissue, that kind of thing. That's a biological term, so I'm not going into that one. So I hope I convey you everything in this video, because if you get an oximeter and you are checking your finger, or some other person or somebody who do not know how to use or how to check the values of oximeter, who you don't know what to think, so you can convey this message, share this video, or you can personally teach him how to use that, and so by the help of this video or some other videos. I am not saying this is the only video that is in YouTube, like a thing. So I hope you are clear with this stuff, everything. So this is Rais Ahmed from qurrahtech. See you next video. Before that, follow me in my social media like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and also some creative pages like Ko-fi and my coffee page. I'm selling some digital products there like Adobe Creative Cloud and wall prints and all kind of digital products. You can get one, and see you next video. Bye bye.